how to transfer videos from Mac to iPhone. Well, transferring videos from one device to another can be a little hectic, and most especially if you're transferring it from Mac to an iPhone. Well, with the correct program and steps, it becomes easy to import and export any video, and with a very high transferring speed from a computer to any iPhone or your Mac to iPhone. Now here is how you can do so easily. Well, what you can do is you can use any convert transferring files. So you can use the Wondershare UniConverter. So you can head over to your browser and search in Wondershare UniConverter, and you can install this application, and with this you'll be able to transfer your videos from Mac to iPhone and such once you have connected it using the. Similarly, what you can also do is you can get this particular application. Now I generally use this particular application instead of this. So you can head into your browser and you can search in 3U tools. Now with this, not only will you be able to transfer it from Mac to iPhone or iPhone to Mac, but also you'll be able to transfer it from your Windows or PC to your iPhone or vice versa. So you can get this 3U tools for Mac OS, you can see, and you can get it for iOS. Download it, install it, and once you have it ready, all you gotta do is plug it in, trust the device, and you're good to go. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.